Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Face ID password faster recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, we tap on face recognition at the top, and then we will need to put in the current PIN or password on your lock screen. Now in here, we're going to tap on faster recognition. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now I said that if you are using faster recognition, it is less secure. A video or image could be recognized as your face. Someone could take a photo of yourself, whether that you post online, and then they can place it in front of the camera, and the camera may be able to recognize you and unlock your device. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, just a quick note, this feature is on by default. So if you want to make sure your face recognition is super secured, make sure that after you have set up face recognition, go in here and turn off faster recognition. And that's it. Tap on the home screen to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.